जिंदगी हो तो स्मगलर जैसी, सारी दुनिया राख की तरह नीचे और खुद धुएं की तरह ऊपर।
Imran's going to be a revelation in this film because his character is unusual and his performance has been kind of mind-blowing.
They told me he's very impulsive. He wants everything right now, right here. He almost thinks like a kid and extremely selfish. जो कुछ scenes हैं film में जहाँ पे see the crack in the character and see his emotional side is only with the girl. एक जो softer side निकल के आता है. But otherwise extremely ruthless through the film.
Imran liked the idea immediately in the first half an hour of talking about it. And he said, I just would like to read it once. He's a nice guy. He's a very hassle-free actor. He's very punctual, very disciplined. You know, the rebel who's essentially a bad boy, but who connects somewhere with the audience, with the viewer. So I think that's the kind of actor he is, and that's what I've tried to bring out. I think the essence of the film is the newness of this combination. ये जो नयापन है अजय देवगन और इमरान हाशमी पहली बार.
हम क्या चाहते हैं उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. सुल्तान क्या चाहता है वो जरूरी है.
He is somebody who I associate with my success. Like Gangster's been a success, Raz has been a success. So when I see him on the set, it just makes me feel very successful. तुमने कहा था तुम्हारे जन्मदिन का जश्न है.
I think with Kangana, I was shocked. She had already read the script. She walked in with a spiral-bound file, which had every costume worked out, every hairstyle worked out, every makeup detail. She had done it all herself. And I was blown away. She had done it scene-wise, and she knew exactly how she wanted to look.
It took lot of research for my character, as it's not easy to play a period character. Like if you see those days, women look different. We are very skinny these days. I had to put on little weight. They were more curvy and more feminine in terms of body language, in terms of the way women used to talk those days, much more feminine than today's girls.
आज भी आपको अकेले खाना पड़ेगा. मैं यहाँ आपसे मिलने नहीं, एक फिल्म की कहानी सुनने आई हूँ.
She changes all the time. Her face changes with light. Her face changes with costume, with makeup. Sometimes you get shocked when she walks onto set in a new costume or a new hairdo because she looks totally different.
All the work that she's done till now, her body of work is something that we all young girls look up to. She's like an inspiration for young girls.
I think working with her has been wonderful. Prachi is a delight. I'm very fond of her. She's a very bright kid.
सुल्तान मिर्जा के लिए काम कर रहा हूँ मैं. जानती इसका मतलब?
हाँ जानती हूँ. और हमें ये भी पता है कि उस काम में कितना खतरा है.
She's talented. She's committed. She's pretty.
I just thank him so much for letting me live Mumtaz the way I wanted to let me portray the character that the way I felt her.
एक तरफ natural talent है उसके अंदर acting का, और दूसरी तरफ medium का grasp, क्योंकि उसने टेलीविजन पे इतना काम किया है कि it's like doing 50 films, maybe more. तो हर चीज वो समझ लेती है, डायलॉग उसे याद हो जाता है फट से, एटीट्यूड पकड़ लेती है, रोना हो, हंसना हो, शर्माना हो, यूं आता है उसको. I like people like that. I like people who know the medium. You know, they are the easiest people to work with.
तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे.
ये उम्र सुधरने की नहीं, बिगड़ने की है.
इतना भी मत बिगड़ो कि सुधरना मुश्किल हो जाए.
As far as the music is concerned, we've tried to keep a slight 70s feel, but we're very aware that the market today is very contemporary. The choice of composer was the key. I felt that Pritam is somebody who can blend an R.D. Burman feel with today's sounds, today's singers, today's feel. He's done a great job. I think he's the Tendulkar of the music industry today. I mean, he's on a roll. Pilu has a very interesting history to it because I've always wanted to do a song about words like that. And they say that songs about Pina and Pilana never fail.
It was a very strange lyrically when it came Pilu. I was kind of saying Pilu से गाना Pilu कैसे start हो सकता है? Pilu.
तुम कभी नहीं सुधरोगे।
ये उम्र सुधरने की नहीं बिगड़ने की।
तेरे नीले नीले नैनों से शबनम पी लूं, तेरे गीले गीले होठों की सरदम पी लूं, है पीने का मौसम।
पीने के साथ जो इश्क और तारी, ये जो इश्क तारी है, एक फ्रेशनेस है वर्ड में, अजीब सी फ्रेशनेस है।
तेरे संग इश्क तारी है, तेरे संग एक खुमारी है, तेरे संग तेरे संग
I'm a huge fan of Pritam and Imran's combination. All their songs, all the music turns out fabulous.
It's a romantic track, very good lyrics written, extremely hummable.
The funniest and the scariest was climbing rooftop.
क्यों आज मैं तू मेरी बाहों में सिमटी है, मुझ में समाई है यूं।
Being at the edge of the parapet, on top of how many feet, I don't know. This is really funny and scary at the same time, because you just have to be feeling like the character. You have to forget that you're at the edge of the roof or you're at the edge of the parapet, and you could fall any second and any minute.
I think it was more scary for Prachi because her back was towards the drop, so and this kind of narrow space, so it was kind of dicey for her. But she was brave about it, and it was pretty good.
So it's a merge of Indian song with a little Qawwali influence.
I think I'm lucky, and I'm really glad that I have this one fabulous song in the film, which is called Pilu.
It's a great melody. There's a tremendous overflow of emotion, which is what the song captures.
This is a very special song. It's absolutely melodious. It's a very sweet song.
मैंने कच्चे धागे का म्यूजिक किया था नुसरत फतेह अली खान साहब के साथ, तो राहत उनका भतीजा है। उस वक्त नुसरत फतेह अली खान साहब ने मुझे कहा था कि मेरे जाने के बाद ये लड़का शायद मेरी जगह ले सकता है।
चाहतों का मजा फासलों में नहीं, आ छुपा लूं तुम्हें हौसलों में कहीं।
It's Rahat Fateh Ali Khan at his best. I think he's fantastic. He's an incredible singer with a tremendous following.
There was a feel in the song, the way he sang.
It's Pritam at his best in his Sufi elements.
There's a strong connection with their religion. So Sufi, Qawwali space, I wanted to keep that flavor.
That's my favorite song in the film, Tum Jo Aaye Zindagi Mein Baat Ban Gayi. It's very romantic and it has a lot of depth.
I think it's a fantastic song. This one song is sung very well, written very well. So I think it's a perfect blend.
It's a song which will remain in people's minds for a long time.